Flex Power. Choose your tool, choose your power. This is DJ Phantom 205 with another random unboxing video. This is a Masterforce 20-volt lithium-ion technology high torque half-inch impact wrench kit. Comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and the unit itself. What more need I say? You can read the specifications for yourself. Pretty sure pricing is going to vary from place to place where you got it from. This one I picked up from the local hardware store for around $300. I work on cars a lot. Just this past couple of days, I've been removing a few engines, transmission swapping, what have you. So to save myself some time and energy on cores and what have you, I went ahead and picked this up. I'm speaking quickly because I'm on the time limit. Anyhow, so the box itself comes off, case opens up. Tell, I haven't been inside of here, but it's the unit itself, wrapped in neat plastic. Take that out of there, set this to the side. Don't want that to come out of the plastic because it has grease on there from the factory, I assume, to keep the snap ring from rusting and keep the parts moving freely. This here is the charging unit itself. Out of its neat little carrying case compartment. We have 1 potato, 2 potato. Both are pretty much identical, primarily. Bunch of warnings that no one is ever going to pay attention to. Looks pretty rugged so far. What have you? Nothing too special. And this is pretty much it for this unboxing video. Oh, can't forget instructions. Yada yada yada. Happy. Thanks again for watching this video from DJ Phantom 205. Please rate, comment, subscribe.